Thai ya Thai foto Thai sebelum baru ni anti sudah berpuluh. Arleng tayu mulu. Ngan kenal lagi yo. Lo tidak pernah hello lah tayu. Balik. Ada menang le ala. Anke cholo chopara an cholo te. Down te kita. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Bimon Family. Milik tumarong pen piknik ke dami lasi katuk kawe hanta adab ke me kadam pe lo kadam lasi pini ni tom ke dami langsung ke lang dami lasi katuk kawe hanta kadam pe jera lasi ke cengkan kiat an video ke nang lang dan kelas ni tu pini ke dami nan bang ke dari arus tang prok kawe ke dami rataan ni tumarong ngarat lo. Video ke lapun yang lain dan bamen dah like lapen subscribe ikta lapen like dan share ikta deh ho.
So I'ma just keep buying everything, see you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah. All I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days.
Nang kibara family tu mahala tak cetong nang deh ho alang nang lele tet cek long betul nang cini kino deh ho. Lapua pete te me ke kan log yo non pen taning je parong log lo mo hadak le lo pro te kon ala ni ning karong lang ko senang lang don bom de ho ma masinin je parong tek ma le chit lo yo get lo pare la tak kilo dia phan tiket to lai pon lo nang le at lo jo non ke nitum pen ke bang prang cuma de lo yo ba sakiding kiding nang le lab lo se iman bang ke la pu na thse dam ke Puannya. Kita dem silang nampak dari kibia dia nanti langsung hello ulang. Hello hal itu ah. Oh, kau biar bang dia coba please lah. Yang lang kau mesti hap. Oh, kan tu tu kibang log lagi lang nam se kibang chuang se lah. Itu bang kan non se kibang lah. Apa ni kecoa plesang sele puang song kena tek long khai lo tu ka weda ang tu che kalang lo jo langar kidak wentar julong det lo along le lang ta lo lah ke wang tung dalo ke dang ta dalo tan yo tu war bom ekan lo ke dunia tu waran si lah de good pi waterfall na sio mencar tanah. Kita mandi meciang donde set kalau yo, Arleng si ong pergi. Bang ke mohar cendek masih selo yo. Karbi tempen tek keng sangkem ong pulang keng sangkem seke nangki yo por cilo non yo ning kau kamtan yo. Hello langsung ni, ha hem an ke hello pen ke langjun long little lang kasi. Kung no karli dun ko nito sa ang song pinapak lang ko tayo. So ita karli dun sakan po na ni. Pek tidak yo, non kam siri lang kasi karli po ni. Ito ipek itu kayak bere. Aleng sih kecek pek lu gitu na tuara rin dum na. Pilipo. Ngan panalo kayo. Hello, tidak mata hello ala tayo. So, balik. Ajo manang le ala. Alang ka. Oh, maaba. Hai foto hai sablo par ni an ke chudam pa pulo arleng ka jo mon oh pek lang yu an sudah datang ke bang tolo balo itu ya an ke cholo an chopara an cholo te dang de ke dang
never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.